Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy for 2025: how to chat on Messenger without needing an internet connection. Imagine being in a remote area, during a power outage, or even in a crowded event where Wi-Fi is spotty. Messenger's latest offline feature, powered by Bluetooth and mesh networking, lets you stay connected seamlessly. Let's break this down step by step so you can start using it right away. First things first, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the 2025 version. Head over to your App Store, search for Messenger, and hit that update button. Once that's done, open the app and go to your settings. Look for the Offline Chatting option. It's usually under Privacy or Connections. Tap on it and enable the feature. This allows your device to connect directly with nearby devices using Bluetooth. Next, to start a chat, select a contact who also has offline mode enabled. Messenger will scan for nearby devices and establish a connection via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi direct, no internet required. Once connected, you can send text messages, emojis, and even share small files like photos. Keep in mind, this works best when devices are within 30 feet of each other, so stay close for smooth communication. Now, why is this a game changer? It's perfect for emergencies, group outings, or traveling to areas with poor connectivity. You'll save on data costs and ensure you're always in touch. Plus, it's secure, using end-to-end encryption just like regular chats. Before we wrap up, remember to test this feature with friends or family to get the hang of it. If you run into any issues, check Messenger's help section or our community comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.